Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall we start?
Okay, sir.
I think last class we discussed regarding central creation of customer centrally, right? Today we are going to do the configurations regarding terms of payments. So what is terms of payments? What is terms of payment? So terms of payments means, so assume that I'm selling the product to my customer, right? So we are selling the product to our customer, right? So assume that we are selling the goods on 1st February 2021. So this is what we called as invoice date or sales date, right? So here the total value of sell goods is 1 lakh. Assume that 1 lakh we sold the material to my customer, right? So I need to collect, or I need to receive this amount, right? I need to receive this amount. For this amount, to receive this amount, I need to maintain the conditions with it. Say example, here I'm going to give 30 days credit to my customer. You can increase according to your material demand the days, like can increase to 60 days or 45 days, 100 days, like that. So here I'm giving only 30 days credit limit to my customer. So according to this condition, customer need to make the payment on 1st of March, right? On 1st of March, you need to clear the payment. That is what we call as due date. So here I am giving 30 days time to clear the payment from customer. Okay, and according to these terms, you need to make the payment within this date. This is what we call as due date. Okay. Although I had given 30 days to him, but I can't wait for that particular time. To attract the payment, what I'm going to give some discount payment. See, in terms of payments, we are having two types. In terms of payments, we are having is two types. Number one, discount payment, and number two, installment payment. Okay, now we'll discuss discount payment first. After that, we'll discuss installment. Okay, now we are into discount payment. Okay, although I'm giving 30 days time to my customer, but we can collect a payment from customer by giving some discount within 30 days or before 30 days. Okay, how to maintain that? Here I'm giving two terms and three terms. So through two conditions I'm going to maintain here. Say example, my company code is PSD, right? Here I give like this, PS to T. T means terms. two terms. Okay, PS means my company code. Okay, here I'm mentioning if customer is make the payment within 15 days, although I'm giving 30 days time. If customer makes the payment within 15 days, he will get 5% discount. Okay, so this is one condition. So after 15 days, no discount is given. Okay, this is one condition, means this is one terms and this is another term. So two terms is there. Okay, and one more conditions I'm going to create, PS3T, three terms. Here I'm going to stretch the condition. Okay, here if customer makes the payment within 10 days, so although I'm giving 30 days, but if customer makes the payment within 10 days, then he will get 10% discount. And second condition, if customer makes the payment within 20 days, then he will get 5% discount. And after 20 days, no discount is given. Okay, we can maintain the condition like this. Assume that we are going to assign this condition to my customer, right? Assume that these conditions or pricing procedure will, sorry, not pricing procedure, terms of payments is going to assign to my customer. If we make the payment within 10 days or within 15 days, he need to get discount, right? He need to get discount. So how to show the discount entry in my system? Okay, that also we'll discuss. That also we'll do the configuration. Okay, we'll enter into system. Let me check with login. Okay. And it's working. Go to financial accounting new, IMG financial accounting new, accounts receivable and accounts payable, business transaction, outgoing invoices or credit memo, in that click on maintain terms of payments. T code is OBB8. T code is OBB8. new entries, click on new entries, and here I need to mention my terms, PS 2T. Okay, any 4 character you can give here, but it is very easy to recognize. That's the reason I'm giving like this. And I can give my own explanation, like as I told you, 5% in 5. Okay, here I'll mention 5% in 15 days, 30 days due. And this particular conditions is applicable for both customer and vendor. We can maintain like that, or else we can separate terms for customer and separate terms for vendor. It is not required. We'll maintain it for both. Okay, we'll maintain it for both. So I'm going to select this one. I'm not going to change here anything. And this is baseline data or date calculation. What is that? Fixed days is there and additional months is there. What does it mean? What do you mean by fixed? Fixed date means some customers will not pay throughout the month. Some customers will not pay or will not make the payment throughout the month. They are going to tell that on every month of 10th or 15th, he'll going to make the payment to what are the goods they purchase. He'll got to make the payment what are the goods they purchase. Okay, they will not make the payment throughout the month. So only on that particular day he's going to make the payment on his purchases. Okay, here I can mention that one. Okay, and additional month, say example, on every month of 10th he is going to make payment. Additional month, say example 1. Assume that you purchase on today's date, 20th of March you purchase. Next billing will be, or next payment you are going to receive from customer is 10th of May. 10th of May, not 10th of April, because he has added one additional month more, right? That's the reason we need to receive the payment from that one. When we are using this option, no need to mention anything here. When we are using this baseline date calculation option, then no need to mention anything here. Okay, so I am not maintaining here. Then block key is there. I can block these terms by using block key. If I want to block, I can block it here. And payment method, how customer used to make the payment, so I can mention here whether he is maintaining the payment through check, bank transfer, cash, so mode of payment. Hence it is not required here. This payment method and block key we are going to use in customer master. I will show that one. And here default for baseline date. So I am giving 30 days, but on what date this 30 days is to calculate, whether on document date or whether on posting date or on the entry days. What is the meaning of that one? What is posting date? Posting date, invoice date and entry date. Posting date, the reference date we can call it. Invoice date means the billing date, when we are used to bill. Invoice date or document date, invoice date or document date. Billing date or invoice date. Okay, then entry date, whenever end user enter the entry in system, that is what we call as entry date. So on what basis we need to calculate the 30 days? On what basis? Whether I need to take the reference date or I need to take the invoice date or billing date or document date or entry date. Usually in real time what will happen, all terms of payments or anything is calculated on document date. Here I need to select document date. Most of case we are going to select document date. Okay, most of cases we are going to select document date. When we are giving a discount, we are not giving any installment. When we are giving discount, we are not giving any installment. So if you purchase any goods like fridge and washing machine or TV, laptop in installment, you will not get any kind of discount for the installment, right? So I'm not going to select installment payment here. When I'm giving the discount, okay, when I'm giving the discount, installment will not be given. Okay, and here I need to mention the percentage. Say example 5% in 15 days and 0% 30 days. Like that I can make. Maximum I can use 3 terms of payment. Okay, save this. I'll create one more terms of payments. So click on next entry or press F8. PS3T means 3 terms. Sorry. And my explanation is 10% in 10 days, 5% in 20 days, and 30 days due. Again, these conditions will be applicable for customer and vendor, and here I'm not going to mention anything in baseline date because as I told you what is the reason for that, and here also I'm not going to block or payment method. I'm not mentioning any payment method, and here I'm going to select the default baseline date as document date, sorry, means all my terms will be maintained or calculated according to document date. As I told you, I am not selecting when installment payment, when I am going to make the discount payment. Okay, so I am not going to select installment, and here I am going to give 10% 10 days, 5% 20 days, and 30 days. As I told you, we can use maximum 3 terms of payments. Okay, save this. Now 3 conditions or 3 terms of payment has been assigned to, created. Now this terms of payment I need to assign to my customer master, right? I need to assign to my customer master. So go to easy access there, accounting, financial accounting, account receivable, master record, FD02 change, FD02 change. Here I need to mention the customer and company code. In our last class we maintained the customer. I think we are having so many customers here. Okay, I'll select any one customer. Okay, press enter. Then click on company code data. Okay. Then click on payment transaction. And here I need to assign my terms of payments. Just now we maintained the terms of payments. Getting that PS2T. Directly I'll type here PS3T. Okay, Save. Okay. Like this you can assign to all customers. Okay. Now, as I told you, assume that customer makes the payment within 10 days. Okay. Assume customer makes the payment within 10 days and he is going to get the discount, right? We are going to give the discount to customer, but that kind of discount will calculate or will treat it as expenses in our company, right? So discount what are the given to customer is treated as expenses. So I need to maintain one discount ledger, okay, to maintain the discount calculation. I need to do the configurations. First I need to for discount calculation, so what are the configurations required? Configurations as follows. First I need to create the GL for cash discount given. See, I am giving to my customer. Okay, I need to create. Where to create? In admin expenses group. Expenses. Then this GL I need to assign to cash discount. Assign GL. Then third one, sales invoice we are going to give. We are going to post the sales invoice. Then payment from customer. Payment from customer. And one more configurations I need to maintain is first second one. In between I will do. This is second one. Maintain tolerance group for customer and vendor. Okay, customer vendor group I need to maintain, as we maintain the tolerance group for employee, but here to make the payment I need to maintain the tolerance group. So I mentioned that what is tolerance group. Okay, so first we will create the GL account. To create the GL account, go to FS00, go to T code FS00, and in administration expenses, okay, 400608, I can maintain 400609. Okay, create 400609, company code PSD, enter. Account group, admin expenses, P&L account, and here I need to give the text as cash discount given. Cash discount given. Control data, select only balances in local currency, select line item display, the sort key is 001, and click on create banker interest D001. Save. Okay. Now discount account has been created. Now this account I need to assign to cash discount transaction. Okay. For that I need to go to IMG again. Okay, IMG financial accounting, new account receivable and accounts payable, business transaction, then incoming payment global setting. Here click on define accounts for cash discount granted. T code is OPXI. Chart of account PSCA, enter. So see the transaction cash discount expenses. As I told you, whatever the discount is given to customer, that is treated as a expenses, and whatever the discount we received from vendor, that is treated as a income. Okay. No need to select anything here, just click on save, and here I need to input the number, that GL account number which I created now. Cash discount given. Save. Okay. Now I need to maintain the tolerance. So for the creation of tolerance group, I need to go to IMG financial accounting, new account, financial account receivable and accounts payable, business transaction, outgoing invoices, outgoing payment, automatic outgoing payment, manual outgoing payment, and here click on define tolerances. T code will be A3. Someone is using that one. Okay. Now click on new entry and company code PSD, and tolerance group also I can mention PSD or anything you can give, and I think this one you mentioned, right? Okay, it is already there, I think. Okay, this tolerance key I don't know when I created. Okay, this tolerance key I need to assign to my customer. Again I'll go to FD02 and I'll input the customer, company code, press enter, and go to company code data, click on payment transaction, then tolerance group here, PSD. See. Now I'll check whether any invoices is there. I'll go to FBL 5N. Okay, there is no invoices is there. Okay, first I'll post the invoice. Okay, then we'll check the discount, how to maintain the discount or how to calculate the discount, we'll see. Okay, for posting the invoices or sales invoice, go to FB70 or F-22. Okay, I'll go to FB70 and first I can change to PSD, and here I'll mention my customer. Invoice date, what I'll give, invoice date I'll give 15th of March, and amount 1 lakh, sales invoice posting, and here I'll mention my sales revenue account. If you know, you can type it here, otherwise you can press this button and search. See, this is sales revenue, and here I mention my amount. Then click on go payment. Okay, here it is there, something is there. This doesn't, right? We assigned tolerance group, right? Yes, we assigned. Yes. PA4. Nothing is there. Someone has deleted, so I'll check. I'll do that one. Let me check once again. Check. This is transaction. ಆಯಿತಾ 12 20 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗ. ಹಾಂ 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 ಓಕೆ. Okay. If there are no amount authorization, it's correct only we maintain this, right? Okay, I'll check with OBA3. Yes, OBA3 their company code PSD. Yes, we maintain the tolerance limit also. Zero. Okay, let me check now. check now. Is there 1 minute? I'll check that one. PSD delete, save, new entries. This is error related to tolerance only, but it is not accepting. Let me check with 1 second. I will try. Just a minute, we'll check 1 second. it will accept, I think. Sales invoice posting, sales account. Okay, now it is accepting. Okay, I'm getting one more error. Cash discount may granted only 0%, because while creating the tolerance group we never mentioned the percentage of discount. Okay, just click on customizing here. It will come to OBA4. Click on position there and company code PSD and double click on it. And here I need to mention the discount, how much or how much percentage, maximum percentage I can mention here for this particular company code. Here I am mentioning 10%. So 10% will be granted for, maximum 10% will be granted for this particular company. If you want to change, you can change it here, but here I am maintaining only 10%. Okay. Now I will come back to FB70 again. Now what are the error is solved, I think. And here the payment terms, see, automatically picked up. Then click on. Okay, here the discount granted is solved, but it is not updated in the system. What I'll do, I'll come out from FB70 and I'll re-enter into that particular configurations, or sorry, not configurations, that entry. Okay, I'll re-enter all the data. Okay, system is accepting now. See, then come to payment. So this is terms of payment, and this is a date. Okay, then click on save. Okay, it will get saved. Okay, now assume that a customer is going to make the payment on today's date. He will make the payment. Okay, and how to clear the payment, and as well as if discount is granted or if discount is given to customer, how to handle this situation. Okay, like I'll come to Easy Access Accounting, Financial Accounting, Account Receivable, Master Record, sorry, not Master Record, Document Entry itself, F-28 Incoming Payments. Here I'll give today's date, 23/2021, and here I'll give the text as payment from customer, and account I need to mention the customer name, sorry, bank data I need to maintain here. 2002071 is the bank data, and amount 1 lakh, value date again 20 or present date, text payment from. Okay, here I need to mention the customer account. Press F4 and search and select the customer. Okay, here then press enter. Valid function. Select a valid function. 1 minute, I'll re-enter this. Validate. So I'll copy this text and paste it here. Then customer, select this one, enter. See here, now 1 lakh, the sales done for 1 lakh. Then customer is going to pay the money within 10 days, so he is getting 10% of discount. See here, 1 lakh is amount entered, but he need to pay 90,000, and 10,000, what is the 10,000 is considered as a expenses that I need to show it separately. How to show? Here if I clicking on save button, it will not accept the save, because I need to make the entry as 0, right? Then only accounting entry will get saved. Okay, to maintain that, just click on document overview. Here we'll get screen like this. There double click on HDFC bank account, and here in amount column just give star. Don't give any amount here, just give star. Then click on process open item. See now what is the difference. Now amount enter is 90,000 and assigned is also 90,000. The balance is 0. Okay, then click on save. Okay, then if you want to see the document, go to document in menu bar and select display. Select display. See here, the entry will come like this. And this cash discount given, it comes under transaction SKT. What is SKT? That is cash discount given. That is SKT, cash discount expenses. Alright, cash discount expenses. So this is how we are going to handle the cash discount configurations and postings. Okay, so we'll stop here today and we'll continue the class tomorrow. I'll update the time, maybe morning 7 or 7:30 I'll take. If you are okay.
7 is okay.
Okay.
So 7:30 is okay.
Okay, fine. So I'll update. Anyhow, I'll update. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then bye.